How to add IGTV videos to Instagram stories. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repurpose your IGTV videos and how you can repost them on Instagram stories. Hi, I'm Karma. I help entrepreneurs start and scale an online brand and systematize a strategic business and marketing plan to scale their business. I post weekly videos about small business and online marketing. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates on my videos. IGTV is the long form video feature on Instagram. As video content is becoming more and more important, Instagram is giving more importance to IG Reels and IGTV. Instagram is encouraging content creators about posting more IGTV and IG Reels videos. Instagram has been ranking IG Reels and IGTV content a lot more than your IGTV posts and stories recently. This is because Instagram is encouraging you to use the video content a lot more. So my advice for you to post IGTV videos weekly and IG Reels weekly. And you have a better chance of going viral with IGTV and IG Reels. On a side note, Instagram started using keyword research and search engine optimization. And keyword research is available only on Instagram posts and IGTV. With IGTV, you can always give a lot more valuable content because the videos are long form. Here are a couple of my strategies on how you can repurpose IGTV videos. And wait until the end to watch the tutorial. So first, I post my IGTV video on Instagram. And then I repost it to my stories. Once I repost it to my Instagram stories, I share that as a post to my Instagram grid. This way, I am maximizing the reach of that one piece of content. If you don't want that video to stay on your grid later, you can always archive it. And here's the tutorial for you.
We're going to look at how we can repost our IGTV videos to our stories. So go to your profile and scroll down to your feed. The third tab, at least on my app, is the IGTV. And if you already uploaded a video here, then you'll have the video and tap on the video that you want to upload, you want to repost to your stories. Right at the bottom here, you will see the arrow. Tap on the arrow and tap on add video to your story, and then go ahead and add it on your story. You can put your hashtags and captions and things like that. All right, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to my story. It's uploading right now. Once it finishes uploading, what I'm going to do is I am going to share this as a post to my just regular feed. And what I do is I always put most of my stories on the highlights. If it's a relevant story about any of my highlights, then I make sure to add it on my highlights. Anyway, so right at the bottom corner, tap on the little three dots where it says more, and then say share as post. So this is gonna open your regular, IG post screen where you would post your regular content. And then you're gonna tap on next, and just write your captions and put your hashtags and go ahead and share it. And it will be shared to your grid. I'm not gonna do that right now because I did that yesterday. And as you see, as you see, if I go back to my just my feed, you don't see that video anymore. There's another video, but I like to keep my profile clean and kind of cohesive. So I usually leave like the valuable captions and valuable content in there. And also, of course, with the visuals, I want to be more cohesive. So if there's anything I posted like this, like maybe it could be my reels, or it could be my IGTV on my feed, then what I do is I go back to that, like maybe after a day or two. I go on top right corner, the three dots again, and I do archive, and it archives that one. And now you don't see that video anymore. I wouldn't recommend you deleting them, because that will affect the algorithm and your insights and everything. So just archive them.